Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Shikha Pandey. I'm a mindfulness mindset coach, and today we are talking about something that can truly transform your life: minimalism and decluttering with mindfulness. Now, before you imagine throwing away everything that you own, relax. This is not about living with just two pairs of clothes or in an empty room. It's about removing unnecessary mental and physical clutter so you can focus on what truly matters. And if you want to go deeper into understanding mindful living, check out my course, Mindful Living Clear Your Mind, Make Better Choices on Udemy. I'll link it up for you in the description below. So, all right, then let's dive straight in. Why declutter? Why do you need to declutter? Because clutter creates one, mental overload. Too much stuff is equals to too many decisions is equal to stress, which is also called as decision fatigue. Lack of focus. Cluttered spaces create cluttered mind. It also leads to emotional drain. Holding on to unnecessary things often means holding on to unnecessary emotions. So minimalism isn't about having less. It is about making room for more peace, more clarity, and more joy. So now I'm going to talk about easy decluttering. It might sound like, hey, what? But hear me out on this. Let's make this super simple and doable so you don't feel overwhelmed by the whole thought of decluttering. So start small. The 1 minute rule is something that I follow. If something takes less a minute to clean up or put away, do that immediately. This applies to things like folding a blanket or putting dishes in the sink or placing keys in their spot. Over time, this prevents clutter from building up. The next one is the 5 item declutter method. Every day, find 5 things you don't use, you don't love, or you don't need, and either donate, recycle, or throw them away. This puts less pressure on you and creates those small wins every single day. The one in and the one out rule now. Every time you bring something new into your home, let go of an old item. This helps maintain a balance and stops accumulation. The fourth one is mindful decluttering exercise. Pick one drawer, a shelf, or a small section of your closet, any small area. Ask yourself, looking at the things there, do these things bring me joy? Do they serve a purpose? If not, let them go with gratitude because they did serve a purpose for you at some point of time, but maybe they don't anymore. And it's time to let them go and create some space. And fifth and the most important one in today's time is digital decluttering. Unsubscribe from your emails you don't read. Delete apps that you don't use. Organize your desktop and your phone for a clear digital experience. Be mindful of who are you following on your social media platforms so that take charge of your timeline in a way that it adds value to your sense of purpose and does not clutter your mind with information that doesn't serve you. This one is so important in today's time. And I'm saying that again because it really can change the way social media serves you instead of abuse you. So you'll ask me, what are the benefits of mindful minimalism? Why should I even be doing it? See, when you declutter, you create space. You create space for mental clarity. Fewer distractions means better focus. It also reduces stress. A clean space feels peaceful. It feels grounding. You have more time and energy. You don't have to go searching for your lost items or feeling overwhelmed by a mess because you know where you kept what and you're doing it frequently. Better decision making. Less clutter means fewer choices to make every single day, which gives you more mental space to really make fewer decisions, but make them more mindfully. Minimalism and mindful decluttering aren't about perfection. They're not at all about perfection. They are about creating space for what truly, really matters. So if you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in comments. What's the first thing that you're going to be decluttering today? If you want to dive deeper into mindful living, check out my course, Mindful Living, Clear Your Mind, Make Better Choices on Udemy. In all my interactions with you, if there's one thing that I always strive for, is to give you actionables to give you tips that you can really imbibe in your everyday life. Because I really, truly, genuinely believe that mindfulness is not something that we go and practice in the Himalayas. It is something that we practice right here because this is where it gives the most benefit. Start your journey of mindful living with me today. Sign up for my course or reach out to me and book a call with me. I would love to know more. I would love to enable you in this journey. Thank you so much. Always grateful for your love. Stay mindful, stay minimalistic, lead your life moving from clutter to clarity. See you in the next one.